Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P2279 refers to an intake air system leak identified in Honda Accords from 2017 to 2023. This Diagnostic Trouble Code indicates that there is an issue with the intake air system that can affect engine performance and fuel efficiency. Understanding this error code is crucial as it can lead to potentially significant problems, including poor acceleration, increased emissions, and an overall compromised driving experience. The intake air system is pivotal for delivering the correct amount of air to the engine for combustion, and leaks can disrupt this process. This presentation will guide you through the symptoms, potential causes, and necessary troubleshooting steps for this specific error code, ensuring your vehicle operates optimally. If you have stored DTC P0443 alongside P2279, it is essential to address P0443 first before troubleshooting further. The DTC P2279 relates to specific components of the intake air system, crucial for engine performance. It includes parts like the positive crankcase ventilation, PCV valve, which prevents harmful gases from re-entering the engine, and the PCV hose, responsible for connecting the valve to the intake system. Additionally, the purge control solenoid PCS line helps manage fuel vapors by directing them back to the engine. The throttle body is pivotal in regulating airflow to the engine, while the intake manifold distributes air to the cylinders. All these components, from the turbocharger joint to the throttle body, play essential roles in ensuring that the engine receives the correct volume of air. A failure in any of these parts can lead to an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture, causing diagnostic trouble codes such as P2279. The thorough inspection of these components is necessary to identify any potential leaks. There are several possible causes for DTC P2279, primarily focused on leaks in the intake air system. Vacuum leaks can occur at various components, such as the PCV valve or the hose leading from it, potentially allowing excess air into the system. Damaged hoses or lines connecting these components can also lead to leaks. Faulty components, such as the throttle body, can disrupt airflow, affecting engine performance. It is critical to inspect each component meticulously, as even minor damage can lead to significant issues. Additionally, improper adjustments in settings like camshaft timing and valve clearance can contribute to this error code. Understanding these underlying causes enables an accurate diagnosis that can prevent further complications. The symptoms associated with DTC P2279 can severely impact your driving experience. One prevalent symptom is poor acceleration, which can make the vehicle feel sluggish and unresponsive. Increased emissions can also be observed, reflecting environmental concerns due to unburned fuel entering the exhaust system. A rough idle is another common symptom, indicating an imbalance in the engine's air-fuel mixture, affecting smooth performance. Drivers may also experience engine misfires, which occur when the engine does not fire in sync, which can lead to more extensive issues if left unaddressed. Recognizing these symptoms early is essential for ensuring the longevity and efficiency of your Honda Accord's engine. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P2279 involves conducting a thorough visual check of the intake air system. Begin by examining critical components, including the PCV valve, PCV hose, and the purge control solenoid PCS line for any visible signs of wear or damage. The throttle body and intake manifold should also be inspected meticulously, as they are crucial for regulating air intake into the engine. Check from the turbocharger joint all the way to the throttle body, as leaks can often occur in these areas. If you find that all parts are in good condition, Then you proceed to the next step in the troubleshooting process. However, if leaks are present, it is necessary to repair or replace the damaged components to eliminate the problem. Step 2 in troubleshooting DTC P2279 focuses on verifying the problem through a defined process. First, turn the vehicle to on mode without starting the engine. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC. Once cleared, it's essential to start the engine and stabilize the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without a load. This can be done with the continuously variable transmission, CVT, in the park or neutral position or in neutral for manual transmission vehicles until the radiator fan activates. Following this, allow the engine to idle for 1 minute. Monitoring the onboard diagnostics OBD status with the HDS for DTC P2279 will determine if the issue persists. If the HDS indicates failure, further inspection is required. Otherwise, if it passes, the system is deemed okay at that moment. If the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, indicates a failure after monitoring, the next step is to assess the camshaft timing. Proper camshaft timing is crucial for ensuring that the engine's valves open and close at the correct intervals, synchronizing with the piston's movement. If the timing is found to be off, make the necessary adjustments until it is in alignment with Honda's specifications. After this adjustment, it's important to inspect the valve clearance. Valve clearance refers to the gap between the rocker arm and the valve stem, which must also meet defined specifications to maintain optimal engine performance. Failure to set these parameters correctly can result in further misfires or inefficient engine operation. Completing these checks thoroughly may resolve the underlying issue indicated by the DTC. Final repair verification is a critical step following the troubleshooting process to ensure that effective measures were taken to address DTC P2279. After any repairs or replacements have been performed, it is essential to conduct a follow-up inspection to confirm that the issues have been resolved. Recheck for the presence of DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to ascertain if any new codes have emerged or if P2279 still persists. Ensuring that the system functions as intended involves not only clearing any fault codes, but also validating that the vehicle operates without symptoms such as rough idling or poor acceleration. Comprehensive follow-through on these actions guarantees that the vehicle meets performance standards and reduces the likelihood of recurrence. Preventive maintenance for DTC P2279 focuses on establishing regular inspection routines to catch issues before they escalate. Monitoring the conditions of key components such as the PCV valve, hoses, and intake system is vital for anticipating potential failures. Scheduling periodic checks, especially after significant mileage or during routine service intervals, helps maintain these parts in good condition. If any components show signs of wear or degradation, proactive replacement can prevent the occurrence of a DTC. Additionally, staying attuned to any changes in vehicle performance can signal early warning signs, allowing for timely interventions. Consistently implementing these preventive measures can lead to improved vehicle longevity and enhanced performance. In conclusion, understanding DTC P2279 and its implications for intake air system leaks is crucial for the performance of Honda Accords from 2017 to 2023. The diagnostic process involves a series of methodical steps, from visual inspections to engine diagnostics, ensuring all components are functioning optimally without any leaks. Identifying symptoms early and addressing them through careful troubleshooting can prevent more significant engine issues. Furthermore, preventive maintenance practices are essential for maintaining these components, thereby enhancing engine longevity and efficiency. Adhering to a structured approach to diagnosing and resolving DTCs like P2279 will ensure that your vehicle remains in top condition and operates smoothly. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.